And okay, guys, we're back with some Amnesia gameplay. And I skipped ahead, and we have gotten the two other chemicals, calamine and orpiment. And we are gonna go mix these chemicals in the secret chemical deposit place. Yeah. Took me a while to get here. To get to this point. Thought I had a glass jar, what the heck? Interrupt the monster. In the middle of something. The monster. Oh no! What did we write down? Find a way to climb back up. Oh no. Wow, that actually worked. Oh, okay. Finally, we'll get this done. Jeez, it took me forever to get those two stupid chemicals. Finally! Oh my gosh. Nah, just kidding, it's a thermometer. I remember this part in the demo. Why is it so dark?
It sure is dark in here.
Yes, and there's a good reason for it. But you can light the lamp now if you wish.
What's the reason for the darkness, that is?
Stay close. Be careful not to stray.
What's the reason? Why is it so dark?
Pay attention, Daniel. It's important that you keep going straight.
Here's
and
the
make sure
evil guy
not
has
to
the
stray.
American accent. Frictional games. Oh no. Like that stuff. Okay. Is he still there? Are you still there? Where did you go? Let's follow him, maybe he'll show us the way. I think I remember what to do in here. Demo, of course. Still, I want to collect the stuff that's in here.
22nd of June, 1839. It's been more than a month since my last entry. After the event inside the underground chamber in Algeria, Professor Herbert insisted I return to England. He said he didn't want to risk forfeiting the entire expedition lest I took a turn for the worse. An excessive decision, in retrospect. But I'm glad it turned out that way. I found my journal this morning in the haphazard collection of things brought home from Africa. Next to it lay the broken stone orb wrapped in cloth. I tried to assemble it, but couldn't. The pieces wouldn't fit together, as if they weren't from the same object. Could I have imagined it all? Was there ever a complete orb?
That was a long note. Which door is he coming from? What the heck? Who is whispering? This door is calling me. And doesn't notice it. What the heck?
25th of June, 1839. I feel the need to continue this journal, even though it was intended for my journey to Africa. This must be something very important. I just know it. I've taken it upon myself to piece the orb back together, but it's been more difficult than one might think. The pieces are behaving strangely. They seem to change color, shape, and texture, but ever so slightly. Yesterday, I took careful measurements and notated any significant markings. Today, I confirmed my suspicions. They were changing. I was terrified and rushed off to see the finest geologist in London, Sir William Smith. I approached the subject with care, and we discussed how rocks change form. He told me about the nature of glass, how it eventually collapses on itself, like ice slowly melting over the course of centuries. Smith eased my mind a bit, but I can't escape the feeling that these shards have otherworldly properties.
Okay. Geez, reading notes, Daniel. You need to read them a little bit faster to get to the gameplay. Sure, it explains the story, but I don't know if that means anything, but I wasn't paying attention, so maybe you guys can help me